Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are visiting the northeast part of the island and we will be focusing on three main viewing points. So stay tuned because the video is just starting and it's gonna come with some amazing views and tips and tricks for the ones that want to visit Azores. Alrighty, our first stop is Miradouro Pico do Ferro. So let's see what will we find here. There is a short walk till the Miradouro, but nothing to impress us because we did some hiking the past days, so this is just a walk in the park. We also have some proper walking shoes for this Miradouro. As you can see, the path is quite clear ahead. I also wanted to show you that in Azores here, like, everything is very well taken care of. Like, look at these flowers. Also, we saw lots of people on the road, on the public road, just taking care of the grass, cutting the grass and everything. So that's really nice. So this is just a random spot here towards Miradouro, but everything is like, looks super clean. Check out these flowers, check out this path. Yeah, all green here, full of greenery, very well taken care of. Let's see what this view has for us. Wow, super nice. So we have Lake Furnas over there and probably Furnas city, well, Furnas village is right over there, but the view is simply amazing. And we were lucky because it's quite sunny outside. There are some clouds over there, but nothing that we need to be worried about. Yeah, super nice view. Check this out. Amazing. So we just finished with this nice viewpoint. What's your score for this viewpoint?
I like it way more when you see Lake Furnas from the top than doing a full circle of the lake.
But compared to the other thing that we did, remember you scored some 9 out of 10, 8 out of 10.
9.2.
Oh, 9 point. That's a good one. So that means that it's a viewpoint that you don't want to miss when you are coming into the Azores. It's really easy to reach, so you can drive by car almost till the viewpoint, so it's even easier to reach than Boca del Infierno, and of course anyone can do it. So awesome views, and now we are heading to our next destination. We'll keep it a secret for now. See you. Alright, so we just parked. We were lucky, we found a good spot there, and we will go to the entrance. Fortunately, we booked the ticket online. By the way, you really need to book the ticket online, otherwise you cannot really enter here. So we are at this thermal rivers, Poça da Dornabeija. I hope I said it right. And as you can see here, tickets can be bought exclusively online. They are checking the time slot for you, and now is the entrance. These are the rules.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as Yes, the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, and it's just begun. As she puts her hand in mine, we wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay on forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild.
All right, so we are done with the pools. It was really, really amazing. By the way, the slot is for 1 hour and a half. And pro tip for you, come with some dark swimwear, preferably black, because otherwise your swimwear will be full of spots and it's really, really difficult to get them out. Unfortunately for my swimwear, it has a lot of stains and I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to remove them. We also use the bleach, but yeah, not working. And now we are back at our car. We just changed clothes. You can buy a locker for €2. It's right up at the entrance. And what else? You can also have a shower with a €1. You can have a hot shower. Otherwise, it's gonna be all cold. But it was a super, super nice experience, to be honest. And I think also Nico liked it a lot. Nico, did you like the thermal river experience?
Amazing.
Amazing. And let us show you our
Initially
swimwear.
it looked muddy, but it's just
So check this out.
minerals deposit.
Hopefully at home or at the hotel.
By the way, we already put bleach on it, and this is still
Yeah.
how it looks.
This is the result with bleach. So extra tip for you, bring some dark swimwear, preferably black. All right. See you soon at our next stop. Okay, we are now in Furnas to see these Caldeiras or Caldeiras. So what are these Caldeiras? Well, you're probably wondering why is this coming off from the earth, right? So these are natural geothermal vents that release steam, gases, and these were formed due to the past volcanic activity in this area. So the last volcano erupted in 1600, somewhere there. but still there is magma inside the ground that heats up the water, and this water bursts out, uh, and it's really, really, really hot. So if you look carefully, you will see different namings. For instance, this one, okay, this one started to burst quite a lot. So this one is Caldera Grande, and there are some other smaller ones. These are Caldera Seca, which basically means that, well, there is no more uh, activity um, happening here. But that one is Caldera Pequeña, which is the small caldera, right? And if you look carefully, there is a bit of gases coming off there as well. So these are all over, and they look really, really beautiful.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay young forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top.
All right, so we just finished with these calderas. We finished visiting them, and yeah, it's really interesting to see. And it's not only the steam that goes out of them. If you look there, you see it. But it's also gases. So there is a strong sulfurous smell here. So, and while you are working in the garden, it's really, really strange because sometimes you feel some waves of heat coming by. Essentially, the whole here you're sitting on something that is really, really warm, and whenever there is a crack in the underground, you will definitely feel it, right? For example, this one is a huge one there as well. But yeah, it's really a nice place to come here. And also, there is a restaurant nearby where you can eat food which is cooked at these calderas. Really cool. Well, we just had our lunch, so we'll probably not gonna do that, but for sure I will leave a link in the description of this video below where you can have it as well, because I think it's a unique experience and why not. Thanks everyone for watching today's video. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already, and stay tuned because I will be posting more and more videos about Azores and tips and tricks about travels and traveling with an electric car. So see you in my next video.